Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. Like the name of this analysis suggests, we are following on our Euro-US dollar analysis from the other day, as I would still like to buy call options. Now, if the market moved there a bit to the downside, it doesn't mean that it invalidated our triangle here, as it is simply that the B2D trend line from here to here was not ending here, but most likely ended with this triangle here. So this would be the B2D trend line. The ANC will stay the same, as this proves, so far at least, a nice place for a rebound. How would anyone label such a move? Well, this move can only be labeled by an X wave prior to the triangular formation, so this will be the X wave. Let's make it of a different color, like this. And of course, like any contracting triangle, price should move with wave A to the downside. Then the B wave all the way in here, in the form of a zigzag for the B wave with a triangle of a lower degree, as you can see in here, of a lower degree for the B wave. So A, B, then the C wave here, then the D wave, and this is important because the D wave is forming the B2D trend line, of course, and no parts of the C wave or wave E should not break the B2D trend line. So this would be A, B, C, D, and then the E wave all the way into the current move here. So I would say that the triangle is about to be completed today, and this means that the FOMC minis are about to be released in something like 3 hours from now. This minute should be bearish on the dollar. It is, if you want, accustomed that the Fed is being more hawkish on the statement and more dovish or bearish on the actual minutes released, but this triangle normally should break to the upside. What should we favor from this moment on? Well, definitely call options, definitely end of week expiration date, and more important than that, so not only we're buying call options with end of week expiration date, we'd like to add to the upside by the time the B2D trend line is broken in 1.14 and by the time the 1.1461 is broken as well, because this would mean that only part of a larger correction is going to be completed. Anyways, it is a Wednesday, so end of week expiration date means Friday by the time the US markets are going to close. So all in all, only bullish scenario for the Euro-US dollar. With this Greece environment and what's happening with the negotiations and so on, chances for a spike are, let's say, increasing by the day. Thank you very much for being here. Make sure you check FairBinaryOptions.com. Also, make sure you check our Binary Options Academy, as we have all this kind of theoretical and fundamental analysis there. I'm sure you'll find them useful. Bye-bye.